In this video, we will talk about how to fix black screen on Windows 10. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Method 1. Run Explorer. Press and hold Ctrl key, then Alt key and press Delete key on your keyboard. Select Task Manager. Or you can press and hold the Ctrl key, then Shift key, then Escape key. You will get Task Manager. Click on File. Select Run New Task. Type explorer.exe and make sure Administrative option is checked. And click on OK. Method 2. Fix Registry. Press and hold the Ctrl key, then Shift key, then Escape key. Click on File. Select Run New Task. Type regedit, check this box, and click on OK. Here you have to be in this path I have mentioned in description. Simply copy-paste in here. You have to check the value of shell. If it's showing explorer.exe, then you don't need to change it. If you're not getting explorer.exe, then double-click on shell and add the value explorer.exe and click on OK. Close the registry, press and hold Ctrl key, then Alt key, then Delete key, and click on power icon and restart your computer. Method 3. Uninstall updates. Press and hold the Ctrl key, then Shift key, then Escape key on your keyboard. Click on File and select Run New Task. Type Ctrl and press Enter. Select Programs, then Programs and Features. On the left side, click View Installed Updates. Select the recent installed updates as per the date. Click Uninstall and select Yes. After uninstall the Windows update, click on File. Then Run New Task. Type shutdown/R/T0 and press OK. This will restart your computer. So that's how you can fix black screen on Windows 10. Drop your feedback in the comments, especially if you run into any issues while fixing black screen on Windows 10. That's all for today. See you in the next video.